I'm so delighted to guide you towards these wonderful goals. Quitting smoking and hitting the gym to lift weights regularly will change your life and bring you massive amounts of physical and mental energy your way. Before beginning your smoking cessation program, there are a few preparations that you should do. First, dispose of any smoking paraphernalia such as cigarettes, ashtrays, lighters, and matches. Even though you may have other uses for lighters and matches, such as lighting candles, it is important that you get new ones for these non-smoking purposes and destroy the ones that you used for smoking. The reason for this is that each time you use the same lighter that you used for smoking, you are sending yourself subconscious triggers, reminding you that it's time to use the same lighter you use for smoking, possibly causing you cravings. So throw these lighters away and don't look back. Pause this recording now and go and remove any smoking paraphernalia from your home and your car. You can clean these areas as you do so with a warm rag and some cleaning solution, making the commitment to quitting right now. Welcome back. You have decided to quit smoking, and the way you're going to quit smoking is to simply relax. Yes, that's right, you're going to slow down, relax, and just let everything go. So take this time that you have chosen for yourself to feel totally at ease. You have no place to be right now, and nothing else to do. So just let everything go, and take this time you have chosen to be here and become completely relaxed. Let's begin our relaxation with some active breathing to oxygenate all of our systems. Breathing is the most important and natural thing in the world, yet we tend to forget about it throughout our days, and sometimes even for years. So let's honor our breath now and how it brings us in the present moment so that we can relax. Take 5 significant and purposeful breaths. 1, fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. 2, inhale, filling your entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it and exhale. The wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. 3, inhale so that you are brimming with air. Holding it, soaking in the oxygen, and let it go. Your body relaxes in different areas without any effort. 4, fully inhale and exhale. Just notice how you're feeling. And 5, a beautiful breath coming in. Hold it, feeling invigorated from oxygen.